Hi guys, welcome to um, another episode on some of the resorts I've been visiting. Hi guys, welcome to Travel Waka. And on today's episode, we'll be reviewing some of the beautiful places in Benin Republic. Now, this is Djegba Hotels. Now, Djegba Hotel is located in Ouidah. Ouidah is in a remote part of Benin Republic, and it is one of the places where slave trade happened back in the days. So it is like our own, it is their own Badagry. Like Ouidah is like Benin Republic's Badagry in Nigeria. So now this is where they have the point of no return. They call it the door of no return. I mean, it is the place where slaves are being taken and transported to unknown destinations. But over these days, it has been turned to a beautiful place where people come for vacation, enjoy the beauty of nature. So I'll be showing you guys around. Sit back, relax. Now, if you're yet to subscribe, please kindly subscribe. Click on the notifications button so that you won't miss any of the posts. Now, this is the. So I'll be showing you different parts of the resort. Now, this part is what they call the bungalow. And this is the main pool. So now, and that is the tall building is the is where the standard rooms are located, but these ones are more of let me zoom in. Yeah, good. So these are more of the much more expensive parts. They're called the bungalow. And this is the main pool. And I have a children pool here. And all the way is the restaurant. Now let me just make a U-turn. Let me just go around so you can have a feel of what it looks like. Now, these are the sitting area. But one thing I respect about people in Benin Republic is the fact that the resorts really look, well maintained and clean. So they have this outside bar where you can sit down and relax in the evening. And this is the restaurant. So it comes with complimentary breakfast, but it's not something glamorous though. So this is the restaurant, the menu. Just something simple. Now let's check out other parts of the restaurant, of the resort. And they also have a more like a conventional center, a conference hall. Yeah. So this is the conference hall. Let's check it out. So it's just like a small hall. As you can see, it's currently locked right now. But it's more like a small hall where you can, have meetings. So now let's check out the rooms. Now let's check out the reception first. So this is the reception area. This is the down floor. And we have the first floor. We have the second floor and the last floor. Check this out. The last floor is more like an open roof area. This is nice. You know, and it has really beautiful view from here. From this spot, you can see the Atlantic Ocean all the way. And you can actually appreciate the beauty of the environment from here. And if you look towards this other side, there is a river, more like a lagoon. We might as well just take a walk down there. Look at this view. Now let's check out the lagoon. Hi, so this is a beach in Benin Republic. And this is Ouidah. And let's check out the beautiful beach house.